On the 5th of December, California was hit by a 7.0 magnitude earthquake. It has a strike off the coast of northern California. It just recently happened a few hours ago. There was an earthquake off the coast of California of magnitude 7.0. You can see the damages here caused to restaurants and bars and supermarket. You can see it there. It has happened off the coast of California on the sea. If this was on land, it could have been serious damages because 7.0 is quite strong. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I knew. I knew something of this sort would happen. I dreamed that in 2020, meaning like 4 years ago. And in my dream, the magnitude of the earthquake is 7.2. But here, USGS, sometimes they are not accurate. I am pretty sure my dream is accurate. They said it's 7.0, but I'm pretty sure it's 7.2. They will upgrade it to 7.2. And I knew it will happen in California, but one thing I did not know, it will happen off the coast of California. If this has happened on land, there could have been lots of building and houses damaged, but they were lucky it has happened off the coast of California, meaning on the sea. Otherwise, there will be serious consequences. But I knew it, guys. I knew the pretty much exactly the magnitude of the earthquake in which state and so on. And I knew it there. Nobody will die, otherwise I would have wrote it. But nobody has been killed. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share it. Of course, apart from me, there is no one on this planet that can predict things as they will happen. Thank you.